Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some more stylish ways that you can wear your bob haircut. Here we have someone curling their hair with a flat iron. So her bob comes to around jaw length and she's just kind of adding in some really pretty wispy wavy curls. Gorgeous. This is definitely a chic, beautiful way to rock your bob haircut. And her hair looks effortless. So moving right along, we see someone who has more of like a shoulder length lob. So it looks like she's just creating a little bit of texture with her hair by using the flat iron to create a nice wave. If you wanted to replicate this hairstyle, you can also use a waver and you would be able to get better definition. But I think that this is pretty the way that she did it. It's like a nice, really soft, subtle wave. So next up we have another classic kind of jaw length style bob. Hers features more of a cascading back, longer in the front haircut. And she is simply pinning the hair to one side. Very chic, little everyday look. And then here is another variation with the hair kind of pinned backwards. Or pinned in the back rather. Very pretty style. And then of course we have a simple headband look. And then we see this gorgeous bob haircut transformation. Gorgeous classic inverted bob. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.